In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically reopen previous session tabs in Microsoft Edge on your PC. If you're someone who likes to quickly jump back into work or pick up right where you left off after closing your browser, this tutorial is just what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to configure Microsoft Edge to reopen all the tabs from your previous session, saving you time and helping you stay efficient. First things first, let's open up Microsoft Edge. You can find it by clicking on the Edge icon, usually located on your taskbar or in your Start menu. Once you've got the browser open, your next move is to head to the menu. In the top right corner of the browser window, you'll see three small dots. Click on these dots to open the drop-down menu. This is where you'll find a variety of options and settings that can be adjusted according to your preferences. Now from this menu you need to select Settings. It's towards the bottom of the list, so just keep scrolling until you see it and then go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked Settings, you'll be directed to a new page with a bunch of options on the left hand side. Here, you'll want to locate the section labelled Start, Home and New Tabs. Click on that and it will bring up the relevant settings on the right side. At this point you'll notice a section titled On Startup. This is where we're going to change a key setting to have your previous sessions tabs open automatically when you start Edge. Under On Startup you'll see a few different options, but the one we're interested in is Open Tabs from Previous Session. By selecting this option, you are instructing Edge to remember all the tabs you had open the last time you used the browser and to automatically reopen them the next time you start up Edge. This setting is particularly useful if you frequently switch tasks and prefer to have your workspace ready for you as soon as you launch your browser. By enabling this function, you can ensure a seamless transition back into your projects or leisurely browsing without having to manually reopen each tab you were working on. And there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you've now configured Microsoft Edge to automatically reopen your previous session tabs. This feature can significantly enhance productivity and ensure you have quick access to your most recently used resources. I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful. Thanks for watching and enjoy the convenience of your new browser setup.